Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x, where 5 to the power x times 25 to the power x is equal to 50. Or this 5 to the power of this x times, we can write 25 as 5 square. This is 25 whole to the power this x is equal to right side, this is 50, or this 5 to the power x times 5 square to the power x, we can write it as 5 to the power this 2 times x, this is twice x, is equal to right side is 50. Or applying formula a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. We can write 5 to the power this x plus this twice x is equal to right side, this is 50. Or this 5 to the power x plus twice x, this will be 3x, is equal to right side 50. Now taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 5 to the power 3x is equal to this log of 50. Or now applying formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log a, we will get 3x times log of this 5 is equal to this log of 50. We can write it as 5 square, this is 25 times 2, this is 50. Or left side 3x log of 5 is equal to, now applying formula, log a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So we will get log of 5 square, this as a, plus log of 2, this is log of b. Or left side 3x log of 5 is equal to, now here applying formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log a, we will get 2 times this log of 5 plus this log of 2. Now divided both side by 3 log of 5, so we'll get the value of x. So divided both side by 3 times log of 5, we can write left side 3x log of 5 divided by 3 log of 5 is equal to this 2 log of 5 divided by 3 log of 5 plus this log of 2 divided by 3 log of 5. Or this 3 and this 3 will cancel, and this log 5 and log 5 will cancel, and we will get the value of x is equal to this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and it will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 plus this 3 as 1 over 3 times this log of 2 divided by this log of 5. Log of 5. So the value of x is equal to this 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 and log of a divided by log of b. We can write it as log of b base a. So applying this, we will get log of this 5 base of this 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.